Generally speaking, freedom refers to having the opportunity to practice Dharma and not being born in one of the 8 states devoid of opportunity. Held beings have no opportunity to practice the Dharma due to the relentless suffering they endure from extreme heat or cold. The pretas, or hungry ghosts, have no opportunity to practice the Dharma due to the suffering they experience from hunger and thirst. Animals have no opportunity to practice the Dharma because they are subjected to enslavement and attacks from other animals. The long-lived gods have no opportunity to practice the Dharma because they live in a state of mental blankness. Barbarians, those born in lands where the Buddhist teachings are not available, those born as Tirthakas or with similar wrong views have no opportunity to practice the Dharma because their minds are deeply entrenched in those mistaken beliefs. Those born during a dark kalpa have no opportunity to practice the Dharma because they never even hear of the 3 jewels and cannot discern between good and bad. Those born mute or with cognitive impairments have no opportunity to practice the Dharma due to their incomplete faculties.